Looking for a drag chain that's robust, flexible and built for any challenge? Discover the HELUCHAIN Plastic Link 4 PK drag chain, the ultimate all-in-one solution for modern energy supply. Let's dive into what makes it so special. It combines all the advantages of modern plastic energy chains in a single system. Robust, flexible and innovative. Particular, it means a form-fitting bar lock for a secure hold, quick bar assembly and disassembly, and the ability to easily shorten or lengthen the chain. It adapts to any situation. We have bending ready from 40 to 500 mm. It's also suitable for temperatures from -20 to 100 degrees. We offer special designs for this, for example ELTOLA for quiet running, ATEX for explosion-proof areas, or ESD for anti-static applications. We have the right solution for every challenge. The travel distances in a sliding arrangement are possible up to 100 meters. And all these with the integrated connector in every single drag chain link. Maximum performance.